Ejebo Ejenya Bedru. Enra, one of the most talked about 40th birthday of all time in African history. Ebaso Ewa Accra. Richard Ni Amakwe.
Yes.
At 40. Come here and say, currently, you can't almost do 40th birthday. Bah! Oma bo prima wa Africa. I think say. So birthday we bet my number one. Yanka before no is any preparation. A kind of fast to break here at the end out.
No, it was nice. Say me funny say Odikanye underground work, you know. With Bugatti, no auto, no, with private jet, you know, it was underground. Until said by obe disclose he say ope say the 40th birthday in Waye Juma. When we say wabua nipa ewo Ghana. So she so for real wabua nipa wa mom juma ye wo Ghana no. At least or help the economy no. And it was so nice and beautiful. Media the American no say like what Ghana nim, what Africa nim. Sometimes the normal way be no uhu obe feel say nipa no or front normal but on another level no or Ghana nim. What you say? Yeti abrochi ha na ye hweuti. For instance, me ne madam for broni bi na hwe ya. What you say? Onim South Africa no so no. Bibi papa bi o. Wa hu na me cho no. Nti sometimes no maybe say no, very beautiful. And I'll say who say free wa ukrom so Ghana. A somehow different feeling being, you know. Maybe I think say it was so on top, 100 over 100.
Oni bulare etna one-on-one.
Yeah.
E hona Oma ye hu kwan fast for drew pepe so na wadru no. But there was one big question mark. We say before the main conversation, you know,
yeah.
Or the tease about Bonting. And a teaser him no can say or kukum 5,000 a day. What trouble chache?
Yeah.
That part who you know, then a catcher. As young guy, I also have trouble more than 10 years.
Well, me who I honor dear. Me who say sometimes no, let's say abroche mu nsem no yentimi kan be bree. Oh me yeah yete ade nim de wom. But sometimes no, I feel say can be so it should be exact. Oh me cho no. Yeah ye nyina yete heavy. Nye easy say if you are telling me say ebia okoye adwuma bi na lifespan ye bia from 1 year and 2 years and enkuku a utwitwi mu nyina drew 5,000 a reasonable but a day there which means adwuma ne say ne okọ 1 week round hwa untimi into aso.
Oh but so, I don't all that 5,000.
No, a doso.
That is sir. Oh boy,
oh yeah sure, yeah, a doso.
Because me my adwuma baby a.
Yeah.
A day, Metimaka say, and your man be ufru no is more than 5,000.
For real, but eno ne chere say eno na bia a restaurant so demand no. Yeah.
Obi a onte abroche no.
Yeah.
A say bi ontu kwame said mo we bi da no. E be na adwemu na more times abroche nkukuo mo horo no. Enye te say Ghana de no.
Yeah, this support ne seminar to so.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
On say your tap ne machines are opakia. No,
yeah, for real. It's a honey and I was say or specify no. Yeah.
I don't know. But do you think say Sajumano? I can't hear the one and it was just by the way, it was a bait. I be my man for a full interview, no.
Yeah, on say sometimes no. Ghana forward perception be say unye schedule pempen so be a person who dear oh yeah. Utiminya says cano. Enti sadie no me to me no na meaning say or can motivate obi a or interview ni biano said no usi so enye easy say na when we saw talk Bugatti almost $4 million, private jet almost $28 million enye or story ya na yes sir yeah or starty free baby enti most of the time me dear yeah it's abrochi ni there ye hu so obi akasa ye hu say oh e bia or dey motivate mo hu say wo nya ne so said e bia wo feel say when who no be into for say be an easy man no bibi sa na me dem dwen say I don't think the man sometimes no more ye interview or platform be so omutimi kasa asem no just to motivate you and let you know say o hustle be a woman no e bia sisia intimi ye do millions but o koso na we ya e betimi be avenues be amama one day unso betimi abenyeska bibi sa na
okay you get it down to Enra main event in Ankasa no
yeah.
A man for patches say, oh, ye too much. because situation there what Ghana no.
Yeah.
Nan ko betimi dia establish BB I support a lot of people on Wall Street. But no, or you says scanning in the boss actually we know. What is the essence?
Okay, one thing I know is on say obi antimi nkyere obi sɛ ne onsi ndi ne sika mfa.
Okay, no cray.
Yes. Sɛ o ye badwene ba sabi mpreduasa Richard wa bie nnwuma bebree. I quite remember say me hwɛ ne interview bi I think we meet with all the workers annual year ni nyina so ye no. I think so oni omo ye party and then ohwɛ na ɔwɔ akoma pa me hu sɛ ɔka sɛ o wa increase workers ni nyina ɔto market mu because of say omu nyina ka ho no wadru mpempenso a wadru no ɔho nti no sometimes no untimi nkyerɛ obi de ɔmfa ne sika nye bebree what you say but all those so almost a point but on say it was sometimes you dig and find out say DNA why on say where any moment also with the 40 years and you know him say life begins at 40 enti why adwuma bebree fitting him on him ranti brima when you 40 years at least e bia na the birthday or celebrity or any kese any one na make sure enti very good or be a normal one enti sometimes no me timi nka say there will penny no be pay. But and obi anso sika show be but.
Yeah.
You know sometimes
you know. Content say too much, you know.
Yeah, sometimes no. Also obia internet no aye too easy and common. What you say obi craft fan phone no gina corner no I content no posty. But men kaso aye too much. Nana. Any asenka sika de be fan say private jet ni Bugatti de kra na say party o ye no. Ni sika no oka Bugatti no any private jet ni e boma e nu sa.
To you know rough estimate party we shall be say na kom.
Party we say
based on the who ye
metimi aka say obetimi say more than $10 million. I'm telling you.
Hey yo.
Yeah, because
hey yo.
And I'm 34 ka say bi say udiska o say mom me.
Yes sir.
Yes, and it's here you know.
10 million.
It can be. Because on say here yeah what diamond platinum no. On say they are top notch artist. Or you are down for crana for brand sake, you know, any agreements be on no. Untimi nka say madam funti omra sa keke on the make sure no. We have artists that say, or you are down for crowd person oba baby no. Or looking for a be a 20 Porsche cars or a private jet a be fly no or pay be a apartment you know or any crew but obi o ba nipa be 20 ne dinechi he David mo on e mecho nti all these people no they are coming in the name of madam for no but untimi nhwe ne sa so kwa diamond platinum maybe or it will be cry David you know how they go on until onya time on the calendar so the man will say oni wo be bibia you should know say very precious into all kwa untimi nhwe ne sa kwa na sa na mo the senior sa kwa so be jim mama sa kwa obegina stage almost 1 hour if you free no what no senior what no me cho no
enti aside my fan say wagini din
yeah
enipa be pay edin
yeah
want to say life no aside the way nyina edin ho hia
yes
but ye de ono ne partner wanya ne to a Ghana nya mfaso bi ana as a whole
for
event way
for
real
real
say Ghana sponsor idea but wow sha Ghana nya mfaso bi
yeah for real because unim bibi on say yeah no man ketenkete bi okra na Ghana oti abrocha na hu sa de no on say at least tourism or fly people from other countries to come so you know ticketing and everything you know one make sure no it brings revenue to the country
it's putting Ghana on the map ana
for real 100%. I'm telling you for the whole of this week Richard near be discussing no I'm telling you obi o free baby be hwe bibia okwa sa news no dey call and at least aboa on say sometimes you time jai ebubu oboni too much on e be cho e ma okra na kra di areho because the no me hu ni dey to me is 100% something na me hu ye no very very nice.
Okay yem kwanim quick performances any seating decoration invitation overall what man is saying
I would say 80 over 100.
80.
Yes, for real. Because when say share krana or the invitation, boxes no ubiema, there was something like a credit card, These things cost a lot of money. And say utimi ye way the invite people and other stuff, I would say 80 over 100. For me, that's how I feel. Why Juma?
So will you encourage young guys no more than say so bit me breaky this level a party like this no so a mobi bisa. Do you think say be a trend?
Yeah.
Now no you be who such parties e Ghana.
Yeah, for real, because ye diani koyechi 2024. Unse weddings be a competition. 2024 weddings na trendy year.
Yeah.
And I know say Richard adia why we sabe my birthdays are trendy 2025. Trust me. Odia because you see our pager standard no we raise bar no.
I'm sure say party will be better but to this standard.
Oh, people can do it.
You sure?
Ghana a shaman for atasu director, let me tell you, ebimu you very coded, but a shaman for atasu. People can do this. Nice, why are dear, but it'll be crabby to me ayatra. I'm telling you. I know. Ebimu bit me ayatra. Because ebi wuskapa, but also be or you very coded.
Okay, Yanko, your last idea, musicians need performance, who say. I think some may have a problem kakra. Once I said no musi
crowded no.
Yeah, more build
stage no.
Set no. O man factor the musicians part no.
No. And now on say we ne kokoye say yeah babeji ani. And if say sack and our second promise diamond platinum Davido na pass it through crown ni that's why until share it was playback no This could have been live band but it was playback because he him say G and just passing through what mic what tonium 2 or 3 just to grace Richard and munyam no that's why I think say yes no
into performances no
it was cool at least me who say Sakodie ifri ni pemu Sakodie che with stage then free tin na paper and it was nice and na Davido so free ni pem these Stone
Davido,
Boy
Stone
she can promise fly all the way not all outside but I'll buy and I'll pay our for flight or call America so a very beautiful thing BBC I think say encourage it on say abembona Dawson this is a timer who say youth and I say obia or war ne 40s in yeskana or celebrity ya mona baso I want to make sure because your sister always share the papa krama unia on so papa outside so I would say it was a beautiful thing no
as that can see come up me do memory fee say ufri abroche na ko Ghana na udru Ghana about ko pe bia dam asoma dwoa call www.picashproperties.com www.picashproperties.com Biemunso se wo America now opese wo ship enyoma from America to Ghana Box Oak Logistics ko omo website wo say na say me di omo number egu screen yi so free omo na niji sem ne say wo free omo aka kire omo say enam TheBonahShow so ana oti omo nka impre na omo 10% discount.
Looking for the perfect home away from home? Stay with Pcash Properties in Akira Made, Kumasi. Luxurious, fully furnished spaces designed for your comfort. Book now, Ghana, +2 332 45 356 907 UK, +4 479 4606 0393. Visit www.pcashproperties.com. Your dreams stay awaits. Don't wait. Book today.